So good morning everyone. Now we are studying about the question number 6. Write the smallest number formed using each of the digit 2, 4, 6, 0, 9, 1, 3 and 7 only once, both in standard form and in word form. So here the question is asking you to form the smallest number by using the given digit. So first you need to count how many digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are given and question is asking you to write the smallest number. When the question is asking us to write the smallest number by using the given digits, so always you arrange the number in increasing order, or we have to say ascending order. Okay, when you will arrange the number in ascending order, means smaller to bigger, so it form the smallest number. Okay, so first you need to find the smallest number from this group. There are 2, 4, 6, 0, 9, 1, 3 and 7. So smallest number is 0. Okay, then after it is 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 6 and 6, 7 and 9. Okay, but we never start the number from 0 because 0 doesn't have any value when it will return in before the any number. So never start the number from 0, but you have to start the number from less than 0. Less than 0 is 1 and after the 1 we are using the 0. Okay, whenever question is asking to arrange in to form the smallest number or the largest number, never use this 0 before. Okay, it's the smallest number but cannot, because the 0 doesn't have any value if we write before it. Okay, so you know that the 1 is the smallest, then we will write the 0. First 1, then 0, then like that we have to arrange. The next smallest number is 2, then 3, 4, 6, 7 and 9. So it will become what? 1,02,34,679. So it is written in words also. 1,02,34,679. Okay, when the question is asking you to arrange to form the number by using the given digits, so smallest number, so never use 0 at beginning. Next question is write the largest number formed by using each of the digits. Okay, digits are 5, 1, 0, 7, 6, 3, 9 and 2. Only once means you have to use only one time one digit. Okay, both in standard form and word form. Okay, so here you have to make the largest number. Okay, it is written largest number. So when you want to arrange the number or form the number in largest form, always you have to start from the greatest digit. Okay, see the greatest digit among given digits. It is 5, 1, 0, 7, 6, 9, 3 and 2. So greatest one is 9. So you have to write the 9 first. Then next number will be 7, 6. Okay, 5, then 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, are you understand? So come and see here, it is already arranged. When it is arranged, the number is 9,76,53,210 as it written. See, 9,76,53,210. I hope you will understand this. Write the smallest and the greatest number of 6 digits using 0, 2, 9, 4 and 8. But you see, the question is asking to form the 6 digit number. Okay, smallest 6 digit, but they have given only the 4 digit to us. Okay, but we have to make the 6 digit number. How it is possible? When the question is asking to form the smallest number, so always use the smallest number as many times, because there is no condition to use the number only once. Okay, in this question they have not written use the number only once. At previously they have told us. Okay, so they have given us to 4 digits. So the 0 is the smallest, so we have to write the smallest number 2 times here, then only it is possible to form the 6 digit smallest number. You know, to make a smallest digit we have to use the smaller number smallest number first. So 2 among the 4 digits here, 2 is the smallest, but we are not using 2 before. So the among 3, 2, 9 and 8, 2 is the smallest, then 8 will come, then 9 will come. We are using this 0 in between after 2. Okay, so I have used this 0 2 times, so it will convert it into the 6 digit number. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, what about the for the greatest digit? When the question is asking to form the greatest digit we to use, so you have to use the greatest one more time. So here I have the greatest digit was is 9, so I have used 9 2 times. See here and here also, so it will become what? 9,98,420. So this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. Okay. Again, write the greatest and smallest number 6 digit using 390462 only once, such that the digit 3 always appear at the hundreds place. So there is a condition. What is the condition? The question is asking us to write 3 always in hundreds place, and you have to form the greatest as well as smallest. So here I have, you know how to form the smallest and greatest. You know how to arrange. In the smallest we have to arrange smaller to bigger, and if to form the greatest number you have to use greatest to smallest. But there is a condition. What is the condition? 3 always appear at the hundreds place. So remove these 3. Okay, then compare, because 3 you have to put in hundreds place. Okay, after writing 3 here, the smallest one number is 2. So 2 is written, then 0 we have to use. As I told you, 0 doesn't have any value if it is written before 2. Then 4, 6 and 9. 3 will remain in hundreds place. So by this we are able to form smallest number. Okay, see here, the greatest one is 9, then 6, then 4. 3 will be in its own place because it is asking, question is asking, it's requirement of the question. And 2 and 0. See, I arranged from greatest to smallest, leaving this 3 because there is a condition to write 3 in hundreds place only. That's why we have to be, this is already arranged according to the greatest. How to we will do this. But here we have written before 4 because question is asking us to write 3 in hundreds place. Okay, so by this you are able to make smallest and greatest number. The next one is write the smallest and the greatest 8 digit number using the following digits. Okay, here again they are asking to make a 8 digit number, smallest number as well as greatest. So but they have given only 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, to form the smallest number we have to use the smallest number first. We are not able to use 0 first because 0 doesn't carry any value if it is written before any digit. So how to we will make? Actually there are 5, so we need 3 more digits to make it 8 digits. So I am going to use the 0. 0 is the smallest here, so this more times. Okay, so 1 is should be written first, leaving this 0 because it is the smallest one. Then after 1, 0 I have used 4 times. Okay, then 3, 7 and 8 according to the arrangement. Okay, 3 is the smaller than 7 and 7 is smaller than 8. So it will be 8 digits. Shall we check? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1,378. So when we are making greatest one, so you have to use the greatest digit is 8 in 4 times. See, 1 2 3 4 times I have used this 8. Then 7 is smaller than 8, 3 is smaller than 7, and 1 is smaller than 3, and 0 is smaller than 1 to form the greatest number. Okay, so like this we have this part 2 also done for you. I hope you will understand the question till